Looking for a quick and reliable way to connect power to your ATV or UTV winch? This quick connector is designed specifically for low-voltage equipment operating between 12 and 36 volts DC, offering a rated capacity of 50 amps. It promises fast, secure connections without the hassle, so you can spend less time fumbling with wires and more time on the trail. What sets this connector apart is its durable construction. The shell is made from tough polycarbonate, protecting the internal T2 silver-plated terminal pins that handle 6 to 8 gauge wires with ease. Rubber caps on each end shield the terminals from dirt and moisture when not in use, keeping your connections clean and reliable no matter the conditions. Installation is straightforward. Just insert your wires into the terminal pins and crimp or solder them, then snap the terminals into the housing. Both connector ends are identical, so you can connect power or load sides interchangeably, simplifying setup. Users across the United States praise its quality and functionality. The caps effectively keep out debris, and the connectors stay firmly locked until you pull them apart, ensuring a solid connection during use. Whether you're upgrading your winch wiring or need a dependable quick disconnect for other low-voltage gear, this connector is worth a look if you want ease, durability, and peace of mind. If that's you, someone who values quick, secure power connections without sacrificing durability, this quick connector fits the bill. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your ATV or UTV winch setup and enjoy hassle-free connections that hold up in the toughest environments.